Hello, my tarot bumblebees. It's Ethany and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Self-Love Oracle. Now, yes, I have unboxed Self-Love Oracles before, but this is a new one. This is from Akal Pratam and it is published by Rockpool Publishing. So we are going to, of course, swap over those cameras and discover this together. And I'm just like matching the box. I'm kind of digging the pink. So let's go and discover the Self-Love Oracle now. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the Self-Love Oracle deck. Well, we're going to go through it. And so pretty. I just took the plastic off. Ooh, look how gorgeous. Look at that pink. I love pink. I love the geometric hearts. A really pretty box. Okay, so this is the card back and the guidebook, which we'll go through. Ooh, and it's color. Ooh, pretty. We'll go through that at the end. Really pretty card backs. Oh, look. Fancy. So as we can see, this is a discovery through the chakras kind of deck. So we have 4 for the root chakra, 4 for the sacral, 4 for the solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and we'll go through what these ones are, but they are very busy. I think that's one thing that the very first impression I have of this is there is a lot on here. You know, there's a lot of words. Then we've got quite a busy border, and then we have it's very busy. So my eye doesn't really know where to focus. I love Frida. I think it's really, really gorgeous, but it is definitely busy. So the soul lesson is to trust, and that's the root chakra. And this is release to Mama Earth, the root chakra. And even this one that has a little less, I feel like the border is way too busy. The backs are beautiful though. And then the gift of freedom, root chakra. So we can see this is a mixed media, and the cardstock is 350 GSM. It's nice cardstock. It's got that it's glossy finish. There's no gilding. So it's a lovely cardstock, and this is a really lovely mixed media deck. So ritual honoring cycles. So we have a couple of different things. We have the soul lesson, the ritual, and a couple of little prompts. So this is the sacral. I really love the little let go cards from Akal. A lot from Rockpool. This for me, Flow with Life, is a little too busy and a little too incohesive. It doesn't really feel like it's the same artist. Not to say that the pieces themselves, the artwork themselves, aren't really pretty. Just my first impressions is it's and maybe that's a challenge for me. Maybe that's something for me to push through and push past. I feel like pulling one of these for one card a day sort of practices would be really, really good. Because then you can focus on diving into the art itself, each piece itself, and really get into it. I think having a whole reading of these on the table for me would be very busy. That's beautiful. The pieces of the frangipanis, I've got such a soft spot for frangipanis. I have where I grew up, my friend used to live on a street. I spent a lot of time at my friend's house in high school, and she had these beautiful big frangipani trees, and we would put the flowers in our hair, and it just reminds me so much of her. Hi, gorgeous. She's still one of my very best friends to this day. It's gorgeous too. So I have a real soft spot for, anytime I see frangipani, I think of her. And the smell, oh. So they're really beautiful. This is gorgeous. Just for me, it doesn't feel cohesive. And I'm going to stop saying that now because I'll let you enjoy the artwork. See, the artwork is beautiful. Really gorgeous. So we're moving up now to the crown chakra. See, that's really beautiful. So this is the aura chakra now. So that was this peachy color. And the next one is healing. So this is the last one for the aura chakra. That's gorgeous. I really like that. So that's the, how many cards? Is this again 30? Yeah, 36. Okay, so we're just gonna give this a shuffle. One of the great things about this is that you can like lay out each of like the cards. So all of each one of the chakras and pull a card for each chakra, making it really easy to work with. We have, how funny is that? I was talking about my friend and the frangipanis, and this was a card that I got on point, Oracle deck on point. So now we have so find peace and happiness through, I do like that this is color. So about the cards, how to use the cards, chakra reading, 3-card spread. Whoop. So then we go into the root chakras, and then we've got a page for each. So mine was the heart chakra. Aww, friends. And then we have a suggested practice on this one too. Keep a gratitude journal, which I do. I have one with my son that we write into every day. I'm great, I'm full of greatness, I am grateful. That's great. Get it? Great. And then we go all the way through to the back. And then resources. And then we have the author and illustrator. She lives in Byron Bay. Oh, no wonder we've got all those frangipanis. And then we've got her book, and I do have the little let go ones, which I really, really love. What a gorgeous book, and what a really lovely deck. Like I said, the artwork itself is really beautiful. I'm looking forward to actually working with it a bit more to see how it reads to myself. I do have to say the fact that I got that card when I was talking about how the frangipanis mean so much to me and my friends was pretty funny. Not funny, but like, I don't know what word I'm looking for. But that was pretty cool. I'm going to pop a link below where you can get this deck and support Akarl's work. And thank you so much for watching.